Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways of how to use cloves and rosemary water to boost hair growth. This is rosemary leaves. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Moreover, it even helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthen the hair. This is cloves. Cloves promote hair growth by boosting blood circulation and enhances the scalp with oxygen. They include iron, manganese, and potassium in addition to vitamins A, C, and K. So to make these cloves and rosemary water, you need a pot. Add water to it and then put it on your stove, allow it to boil, and add your cloves and rosemary leaves into the boiling water. So now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cloves and a few stalks of rosemary leaves. Here I am washing the dirt off the rosemary leaves. If you are using fresh from the farm or garden, you can wash it, but mine was already clean, so I'm just washing it for washing sake. So I took the rosemary leaves out of the stalk, but it's unnecessary. You can put it just like that. So while the water was still boiling, I poured in the cloves and also the rosemary leaves and allow it to boil for a while, not that long, so that it will not cook too much. So I stir it up and then I turn off the stove. So you allow it to simmer and infuse into the boiling water. So as the water was cooling down, it was infusing and you can see the color was beginning to change. And I then put a lid on it and left it for it to infuse properly. So when it cooled down, I turned it into this mason jar. So because I wasn't able to use it immediately, I left it in this container and I poured in the cloves and rosemary residue for it to continue to infuse. So this is good. You can use this immediately if you have the time, but I wasn't able because I wanted to go pick my kids from school. So I just say, why not just leave it in and let it continue to infuse. So when I came back, I wasn't still able to wash my hair. So I ended up leaving it till the following day. So you see the difference, and let me tell you, I love a day after because this was so dark. I believe everything was well infused. So now I strain it and use it. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you how I use this in the bathroom, and I'm going to show you 2 methods. One is going to be a leave-in and one is going to be a rinse out. Once again, you can use it immediately or you can leave it overnight. I love the overnight method. So I turned in half into the spray bottle and I kept half because I'm going to use it differently. Thank you so much for your support. If you are still watching, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So watch as I'm going to use this 2 parts separately. It was wash day. So I first of all wet my hair with water and then put in my African black soap shampoo. This is homemade. So I will shampoo my hair very well and rinse it out, then condition my hair, and then I'll pour in the mixture. So keep watching. Thank you so much for your support, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. So at this point, I had shampoo, condition, and I'm now rinsing the hair. Then after this, I go in with my rinse out cloves and rosemary water. So here I'm gonna pour it slowly, and I massage my scalp as I'm pouring the mixture on my hair. So I do this slowly, and I take the time to work the mixture into my hair by massaging my scalp. After like 5 to 10 minutes, I was done. Then I use a massaging tool to keep massaging my scalp, and after for like 15 minutes I rinse it off, because you have to allow it to stay and work into your scalp, because cloves and rosemary helps with blood circulation that will enhance the scalp with oxygen. So after using the scalp massager to massage my scalp, I rinse it out and I was done. So please stay and watch how I use the second method. And this method is a leave-in method, and it doesn't require you to rinse it out. So first of all, I unravel my hair. Now I'm washing my hair on twist. So I gently detangle my hair. Now I'm also using finger detangling a lot. So I'm detangling my hair with my fingers and making sure that there are no knots or tangles in it. And then I will do the LOC or lock method. So right now, because I'm just out of the shower, my hair is still wet, so there is liquid on my hair. LOC simply means liquid oil conditioner. So I'll first of all go in with my oil and then massage the scalp. So this is cloves and rosemary oil that I recently posted on my channel. Then I also use the cloves and rosemary butter. So I'm gonna link the video up for you to watch if you're interested in how I made it. So I use it to massage my scalp, massage the oil and the butter into my scalp as well. And I use it as a moisturizer on my hair to give it shine. And then I will just put the conditioner and later braid the hair and leave it in a protective style. So I did the rest off camera, and now I'm about to use the second method. So after I was done with my hair, I use this as a leave-in spray. So the second method is leave-in, don't rinse out. So I am done. This is gonna be my protective style for a couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.